We are a couples resort, not very many of those around, so our cabins only accommodate a maximum of 2 adults. We have saunas in all our cabins, and we have these big large jacuzzi tubs that you have to fill with hot water. So those 2 things there alone use quite a bit of electricity. And then we also have, we're also open in winter, and we use baseboard heat everywhere. So it's, we use a lot of electricity.
It's our heating bill, essentially. That's the most expensive over the year. The big solar project basically takes care of our 12-month energy bill, and we kind of regulate our prices so we can continue with renovations and upgrades and keep our costs more predictable.
Well, it should either zero out our hydro bill or get very close to zeroing out our hydro bill. So that's a huge, huge difference. Sycamore Energy has been there right from the beginning, answering all our questions and showing us the way along this difficult terrain. It was a little bit more difficult and different than some of the other projects they have done. We are on, first of all, uneven terrain. So on the south side, we actually start up higher and it goes down lower to the north side.
It's quite a different system. In terms of drilling into the rock, into the white shell.
Because we're on bedrock, they decided to go with drilling the I-beams into the ground. So we have holes that were drilled 6 feet into the ground, and the I-beams were placed in and then stabilized with cement.
It's a bit of a different process as your typical prairie install. They're very gung-ho about getting a quality product to the customer, state-of-the-art equipment, technology. And I think they're a world-class company, definitely.
And they have put a lot of time and energy into making sure we can have the most efficient possible system on the terrain that we offer them. So they've done a fantastic job. And the quality in their workmanship is definitely very evident. It's very well done.